What's up, folks? Just came back from getting the mail, made that trip down to the mailbox, picked up a package, which I saw these shears on TikTok, and they were like, 30 bucks. I mean, you know how it goes on TikTok, right? They have all the TikTok shops. Everybody is selling everything at this incredible price. But I'm wondering, is it like some of those other stores, online stores, that when you get it, what looked like it was this big, and you get it and it's only this big? I've had that experience. So I bought these shears because I'm going to do some work outside. And I said for 30 bucks, one, let me see what kind of products they have. Are they quality or are they a piece of crap? And two, well, I needed it. So if they work, hey, it's good, you know. So here it is. A little shears that work with your drill. So let's see what we have here. Well, first of all, on TikTok it looked huge, but you know, not bad. It's about the right size. So this plugs into the drill, turns, and it snips the sheet metal. So let me grab my drill. All right, got my drill. Pop this bad boy in here. I just want to see if it spins like it's supposed to, you know. There's other attachments that need to go on here. I just want to see if it at least spins like it's supposed to. Well, so far so good. And I just need to put all this stuff on here, stabilize it, and I'll give it a try, and I'll let you know.